In July of 1998, at the age of 21, I was sent to Vancouver for an MRI, which discovered a brain tumor, which helped the neurosurgeon locate and remove it. An MRI discovered the tumor, and as a result, made me feel better. Then once a year for 10 years, I went to Vancouver for an MRI checkup to make sure the tumor had not returned. It was nice getting free trips to Vancouver every year, though you have to take time off work to fly down south just to get an MRI. And it also cost the government money to fly me down south every year. And after years of raising money, the Whitehorse General Hospital has raised enough money, and with the help of the territorial government, have purchased an MRI and built a building to house it. At least now with an MRI in Whitehorse, there will be less waiting times for people who need MRIs for non-life-threatening issues. MRI is short for magnetic resonance imaging. The MRI is an advanced technology that lets your doctor see internal organs, blood vessels, muscles, joints, tumors, areas of infection, and more, without x-ray, surgery, or pain. The MRI is very safe. In fact, it makes use of natural forces and has no known harmful effects. It is important to know that the MRI will not expose you to any radiation. The MRI machine creates a magnetic field, sends radio waves through your body, and then measures the response with a computer. This creates an image or picture of the inside of your body that is much clearer than can be obtained with most other methods. Why is it better than an X-ray and a CT scan? It relies on the magnetic properties of atoms rather than X-rays that is used in many other imaging procedures. X-rays and CT scans scan bones, and the MRI scans the soft tissue. The MRI can provide very early detection of many conditions, so treatment can be more effective. The excellent quality of MRI images can also provide the best possible information if surgery is required. If there is an abnormality, the MRI can show exactly where it is, its size, and whether or not it has spread. Since there is a magnetic field, the MRI technician will ask you if you have any metal in your body or medical implants. Also, if you're pregnant, let the doctor know. Even metal objects not made of iron or steel can interfere with the exam, so don't bring any of the following into the examination room: coins, jewelry, watches, keys. A secure place to store your valuables will be provided. Magnetic waves can also erase the code on bank cards and credit cards, so don't bring any to your exam, and you'll be asked to change into a patient gown. You are inserted into a long tube inside the MRI machine. They always ask if you are claustrophobic, since it is a tight space. Your head is strapped in so it is hard to move, and you have to lie perfectly still and keep your eyes closed because motion will degrade the image. You will be given earplugs to reduce the sound of the loud rhythmic knocking, which occurs when the camera takes the pictures. This is also the time when those nasty psychosomatic itches happen. And after an MRI scan once a year for 10 years, I have learned to tolerate the itches, which is great since mosquito bites no longer bother me. About halfway through the scan, the technician will inject contrast into your arm to make the area being scanned appear brighter for better resolution of the pictures. The scan can take between a half hour to an hour and a half. An MRI is a great addition to Whitehorse. It will save the government money and it will reduce stress on the people being scanned since they won't have to take time off work to fly down south. The magnetic resonant imaging is safe to use and is the best way to detect brain tumors. It is non-invasive and takes higher quality pictures than X-rays and CT scans. You must not be claustrophobic. You must lie still and keep your eyes closed for up to an hour and a half, depending on how much pictures are being taken. You'll be given earplugs to reduce the noise, and make sure you do not bring any metal objects or credit cards into the room because of the big giant magnet. Well, thank you.